This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to log into Hulu account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer. Here I'm going with Google Chrome, and on the search URL type in hulu.com. Once you press enter on your keyboard, it will take you to the official site of Hulu. Now, in order to log into your account, head over to the upper right corner of this interface. There you will get login button. Click on login. After that, on your interface, you will get a login form. There, first of all, enter your email address associated with Hulu. Under that, you have to enter the correct password. In case you forgot your email or password, you can recover your account if you click on this link provided that says forgot your email or password and follow the procedure to recover your account. Or if you don't have an account yet, you can simply create a new if you click on start your free trial link provided here. Now, once you're done typing in your email and your password, click on login button. After that, you will be successfully logged into Hulu account. So that's how you can log into Hulu account. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, remember to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any other further updates from our channel the next time we upload more tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.